Hey everyone, this is Ayman, and today we are back with a new video for the stock trading simulator series. First of all, I apologize if my voice is a little bit weird. I'm slightly sick, but I will try to keep this fast so that it is better for you and me both, right? Anyway, today I'm going to be talking about a about a trade I have taken this week. It was on 26th of January and it was on AAL. Before I explain the thought process and the reasons why I've taken this trade, I wanted to remind you that we have a few updates on the stock trading simulator. The first one is the dark mode. You can use dark mode, you can use the light mode. The second update is now you no longer need to wait for the end of the day to practice. For example, today is 28th of January. You can actually trade the 28th of January, but only till the current time. So our stock trading simulator series, it records the price action all the way till the current time, and you could trade the open of today slightly by the end of the day or slightly after the open. The other thing is the share on Twitter icon around here. If you click on it, your trade after executing it will be shared on Twitter. And finally, make sure to submit your email around here if you want to receive the weekly simulator practice homework. I have modified it slightly and changed it a little bit so that I do not give the full answer and so that I can let you practice and actually do something. To find the favorable direction and to find the proper entry. Now, going into the trade, you could see that AL, it's been on my watch list on 26th of January, and there are a few reasons for that. The first reason is on the daily chart, we see that there is a strong level of support at 1612, and that level of support was broken on 24th, and it instantly recovered on 25th of January. This around here is a sign of strength to me. The other thing is the 60-minute chart. You could see that there is sort of a reverse head and shoulders pattern. Shoulder, head, and shoulder. And there is a clear level of support at 1650. So I told myself, if we actually pull back and we get into this previous resistance, I could buy it with a few cents below it, hoping that it will bounce out of there and that I'll be able to make some money all the way to the pre-market high or closer to the pre-market high. Remember that the overall trend on AAL is short. Like we're dropping down multiple consecutive red candles. And this around here, this move that we could have at the open to the upside could just be a pullback before a trend continuation to the downside. Therefore, you do not want to hold to the long position for a long time. Play the levels after getting a good entry. Now, let's play it at 10 times speed. And let's actually draw the level that I have marked around here at 1654. So that is the level that we want to play from. Let's play it at 10 times speed and let's see what is happening at the open. It opens strong, closes as a hammer, but we do not care about that because we have our level of interest and we want to buy it closer to this level. If it goes without us, then it is totally fine. We do not care about that. We know that in the long term, it is profitable to do what we are doing right now. Anyway, rushed it a little bit. It's at 10 times speed. So basically what you do is you buy it closer to the level. And what is your stop loss? Personally, what I use as a stop loss is 7% of the ATR, meaning that if I get my entry at 1655 or 1654, and if you go to my Twitter channel, the Twitter handle is at AmanBBT, you'll see that my entry on this thing was at 1655. My stop loss would be maximum 1648, 7% of the ATR, just to give it some room below the technical level. And the level was actually enough obvious. I don't expect it to dip too much deeper, but if it does and it gets me out, I could always re-enter into the position, right? All you need to do after that is just simply hold on to your position into your favorable risk to reward. Personally, what I did is I targeted this level around here, 1690, because this was the closest level I had. So this pullback around here didn't really scare me much. This around here didn't scare me much. All I did is I held for around 20 or 30 minutes. Let's go slightly forward. And let's go a bit more forward. Anyway, let's just assume, I mean, I don't really want to make it long for you guys. There it is, it's going closer to the level that we marked, and you could start taking your partials or bail on the position. So yeah, this was the trade that I have executed in 26th of January. If you have any questions, feel free to write them down in the comment section. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. All comments are really appreciated, and they only motivate me to do better in the future. Thank you, everyone. Have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you next week. Bye bye.